Okay, Craig, your assessment of the game.
Yeah, I thought we started really well. I thought the first 15-20 minutes, it looked like we're back to our best without a shadow of doubt. We probably should have scored 2 or 3 in that period of time, and then we give a really poor goal away, and the game lulled a little bit, and it was a little bit scrappy for 10-15 minutes, and again we got back on top, and I thought second half we controlled it no problem.
3 points clear now, game in hand. It's yours to lose, surely.
Yeah, look, we've still got, what is it 9 games left, I think, and it's really important that we just do the right things. The last 2 weeks I can tell a marked improvement on the way we are, because we've had a training rhythm. Previously, beforehand, we'd hardly trained, and the last 2 weeks we've done really well. We played well in the game, one away against Cardiff Met, one at home against Cardiff Met. Arguably one of the form teams in the top half of the league, and we've been pretty comfortable overall, and done really well. We just look better because of spending time on the training pitch.
Ryan, eich asesiad chi o'r gêm?
Gol gyntaf nhw yn sloppy iawn, yn ffordd yn ei amddiffyn, rhy sgwar o lawer, ac maen nhw rhy clinigol i amddiffyn fel yna. Dangos cymeriad cryf, hanner gyntaf i ddod nhw mewn i'r gêm, a fi'n credu wnaeth neitio fi mewn i'r hanner, ac yn hapus iawn i fod 1-1 hanner amser, wedyn ail hanner, ond nhw wedi rampa fel lan ychydig bach, ond i heb delio gyda'r symudiad a ddim digon o wasgedd ar y bel, a dyna beth sy'n digwydd wedyn pan chi wario TNS, maen nhw'n clinigol iawn.
Danny, big win, 3 points clear at the top.
Yeah, it's always a tough game against Cardiff Met. They're a well-organised, fit team, and we started well, but they kept themselves in the game and they got an equaliser. And we were obviously a bit disappointed at going in a half-time level, but we've managed to get a good performance in the second half and come out with 3 points.
Depth of the squad came out today. Subs came on and they brightened the game as well.
Yeah, definitely. It just shows the depth and quality that we have at the club. Obviously lads aren't probably happy that they're not starting, but they've got good attitudes and they come on and they change the game, and that's the players that we need at the club.
Oedd y cymeriad a'r ymroddiad gyn y chwaraewyr chi, da chi'n falch nhw'n siŵr?
O, hi bos, mae'r ymroddiad, cymeriad a'r ysbryd sydd yn ni'n wastad yna, ond am ambell gêm. A heddi, fi'n falch am y perfformiad, ac un newydd gweud yn y change rooms fanna bod wythnos nes yn bwysig nawr. Os ni'n gallu cael 3 pwynt wythnos nes, yma yna 6 pwynt o 3 gêm ar gyfer talu 2 pwynt pob gêm, a dyna beth ni'n anelu am.